What's going on, guys? Shotgun Man behind the camera here, 6944, and today is Saturday. My dad came drink coffee with his friend Starbucks. And today is this Saturday. It's almost we had to go to the Great Mall long ago. I've been to Great Mall when I was a little kid. It's been like 5 years ago. I came in 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. No, wait. This is came like 6, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no, 21, and 22, 23, 24. It's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 days. I went to the Great Mall long ago. Actually, they closed down to talk the Sears, Toys R Us, and and he took the clothes, my dad's clothes, and they built toy mountain between the kids' toys. Yes. Is my cat? Weekend. You shut up, dog. Sorry, guys, because the neighbor dog, is barking all the time. Yeah. No, it's not Weekend. Fuck. What is my black? It's my cat. It didn't came home for years. Hey, look, it's quite far. Yep, and actually we have more new mini cars we have. Just maybe it's a White Tiger and Black Panther. The Black Panther does also work, turn on the car. We got used to the white truck, White Tiger, all the day. Yeah. So not even, we had to go to my sister would buy a present for her cousins. And then we go to the buy stuff and buy food anywhere before we go, because we'll be closed at midnight soon, like early. So anyway, if people that are sleeping, those people in the neighborhood that have no chickens, they're gone because they leave the bushes and the trees. The chickens, they're gone. The chickens, they're gone. They're not there. They have no hens house and chicken pets. Yeah, and the dogs is barking all the time here. Yeah. So anyway, people get getting so early, going to work all the time. Everybody will work like 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All the 5 days they go to get up early for year, because almost Christmas. I'm missing like 2 weeks. They're gonna be shut down the store, the work, the store, and the restaurant soon. Pretty soon, it's almost there. Yeah, people that work watching the place that they're doing. Yeah, and when people getting very quickly so much what to do, because kids go back to school, go to school, and they go finish the school, then they go to back the classroom, see the world all the time. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I was using my Coca-Cola, the Rockstar Gorilla. Now I have to use a blue one, the Gamer. Yeah, we have a green one, it's the Girls, the yellow one's Punky, and the purple is the Sports. When you go running exercise, Rocker when you sing a song, Guts when you go to date, and Punky when you go just main teenager idiots. And the gamers play video games all the time at night. Yes. the woman likes touching the pad and the key. Yeah, I wish my cat is still there. So anyway, Yes. I can see the Grinch. The Grinch is right here. The Christmas Santa Claus and the snowman. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember those. The PS4 and the PS5, they're gone. Then I have they put in the trash can. Yeah. What the heck? They have a garage sale? Oh my gosh. I didn't know that. Well, can someone's a garage sale soon? Yeah, I can see the garage sale. And there's another sign too. Yeah. I hope they have a sign-up sign there between the streets. And there's Xbox Series X and the refrigerator and the vacuum and the broomstick and anywhere. Yeah. Everybody get up early for to go to work early because they go to the buy stuff for Christmas for holiday. Black Friday is finished because the end is the members finished. And then it's almost my auntie and my dad. They go it's their room's birthday pretty soon. And holiday. Yes. And I have a great Christmas gift and between my TV there and here. Yeah, I have a Christmas tree. We have three Christmas tree in my room and the living room and my sister's room. We want my sister to get up early because we have to go to the Great Mall where you like buy for her Christmas. For her cousin's Christmas. Yes. Anybody they go to buy stuff Christmas soon. And there's guys still working. They could build a new house, same like that house, that one. We saw the build a house that 2023 for 4 weeks. Well, yeah. And all the Japanese they live here in the neighborhoods close to here. Yeah. Everybody going to the. People get up early, like I'll go to mall. Yeah. People will go to the mall because no more virus, no more people get sick, no more cough, no sneeze, no sneezes, or barfing and puke. Yeah. Thanks to COVID, President Joe Biden saved us the 2020 and the coronavirus, and the COVID-19. Yeah, we saved the world. We got shots, the arms shots for last week. People died like 3 months ago. I hope it is the shot that people that died passed out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, people are getting this guys are working on wheels, tires. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. People getting like quickly, they work hard. This show. Yeah. I can see the people, the dogs that are not there anymore. They're big, except for the big dog right there. Yeah. People getting really go to anywhere out. I wish my cousin Kim is gonna have another baby soon. I'll go visit the hospital. Yeah. Alright guys. We back to the hospital to see my nephew. I don't know when I was going to see the baby nephew. My little boy nephew. Is my nephew, my uncle. Mama's uncle. That's right. I see them, my nephews. All the time. After my cousin Kim, she had 2 daughters. First, the oldest is Gabby. The baby's born like this year. And second, I have a little baby sister. Younger sister is Valerie. She was born here in Los Angeles too. Except the one little boy, baby Kim. He's gonna have a baby, not the boy. He's gonna be born in February this year. Pretty soon. For 2 months. Yeah. People getting to have a babies Yeah, except for my cousin Kim, you know I'm gonna give more kids. She's had one daughter, Annabelle. Yeah, people getting gay, have babies pregnant. Look at her just saw the kill the babies. She having more kids. She don't want to get more kids. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. People getting what happens to the kids, their sickness. Kids don't have no parents in the Colombia. They go adopting and it's take kids to United States in here for the rest of their life. They sign the papers. Like, yard sale. Yeah, yard sale. Yeah, they make it a yard sale. Pretty soon they make it a yard sale. There's so many cars away from the red stop, green stop. Yeah, there's people that getting walk to go to the store, to the library, and in the restaurant. People getting ready to go to out anywhere because they're tired, bored in the house. People getting ready to go out soon. People getting tired like for a few days. Yeah. People getting like early, quickly, and pretty soon it's almost holiday Christmas. Maybe Christmas almost there. Yeah. People are getting like going anywhere. Look at my hair still growing a lot longer. Yeah. People getting like a go to the. I need to go to more college. I call my old teacher. I'm ready to go to college. At my backpack system and the closet. And my books in the floor. I had to take them pants. So I go anywhere to go study. Anywhere. Yes. People get up early for the rest of their life. I missed the movie the Moana 2 and the Joker 2 and the Beetlejuice 2 and the Transformer 1. And I missed the movie The Venom Dance last week 3. And this is for the movie The Wicked, The Witch in the West, the new movie. Yeah. So this is finished to be. And soon I want to see the movie The Mount Frost of the Lion King and Sonic 3, The Hedgehog. It came in the villain named Shadow, the black one. First we had Dr. Eggman. That's the father of the Eggman. First one we saw the Sonic the Hedgehog came in the movie of 2020. Sonic came to the world of Fantastic and Universe. Second came Tails, the Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Now Dr. Eggman get revenge. Now Knuckles will fight together with him. He's very strongest, meanest, and helpless. He left the father, Knuckles' father. Yeah. And Sonic lost her mother too. And Tails don't have no parents. He's a orphan. Yeah. And Shadow, he's not he's a created monster. Evil plan. Now Sonic, Shadow, he will be work together as a team. And let me says Amy, I don't know what's the play great Shadow great. He wrote this. I don't know. Maybe pretty soon. Yeah. Yeah, pretty soon when my dad's not go to work anymore. They'll be closer like this soon. Hey, I like the car Tesla. Yeah. People getting up ready to go to go home, back work home work. Yeah. Yeah, pretty soon the people getting ready to go out. Because the house is so bored, they look tired, they look frail, and feel brain anywhere. Yeah. Okay, man. All those people in the apartment, the kids are sleeping over there, their apartments. Yeah. That's great. People get tired a lot. Home alone, home sweet home, at home getting ready to go anywhere. That's right. Pretty sure. Yeah, he knows people. Yeah. And Happy Daycare, they're not there anymore. They're coming out soon, Monday for Friday. They're gonna be closed out this soon here. Yeah. That's right. Pretty sure I want to see the Christmas then Rainbow and soon they're gonna find a place there. Ooh, he wanna skip the house. Yeah. She will skip the house. Yeah. Hey buddy. That's cute. Yeah. How much my dogs do there? I'm gonna take it to a walk. Oh yeah, you remember to see the video last time, my dog? I got my dad's YouTube video, listen to all the memories. I took my dog out to the park, Russian Park. But one day they put the fence to allow kids to go to another park. They have to do park like this here. Yeah, there's a package to anywhere. Yeah, places to get package. The mailman, he's working hard because he want to get the mail in the houses. She don't have a dog and have a dog too, and she have a cat. Yeah, and some of the houses are broken trees, have dogs, and have a dog too. A black woman and a man, an Indian, and some of the closer the dog is the closer to my house and have a dog too. The closer to the yellow woman. Yeah, people can have dogs anywhere, and they see the cat standing by herself. And there's the orange cat, black cat's inside the house. Cage. Yeah. Anywhere they go into the mail's house. It looks like weekend, but it's not weekend. Hey, I see Pepper. Yeah. Bye, weekend. Hey, I just stop by for your friends. Hello to consumer day, okay? Yeah. Yeah, anyway, there's cats. They're happy there. I miss my two cats. I miss my Pepper and weekend. So then I come home today because I go into the party out to fresh air, and the puppies do their hot inside the house. Yeah. People are getting ready to go buy stuff to the garage sale. Make it a fair market. Oh, to make it a Christmas. Buenos dias. Yeah, people they like to go to the make it Christmas holiday. Yeah. Pacho. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty sure many people getting buy stuff Christmas for yard sale. So yeah, all the places they're closed now, and yard sale. My cat orange cans they're not there. I see the orange can over here. I see the cat's food and water. Yeah, because I saw my cat orange cans. Yeah, and the neighborhoods there are inside They're okay. Didn't have no car. Came home, and the truck's still there. Yeah. Place to go to making making lemonades. It's not lemonade, it's orange. Lemonade is otra casa. On the house. Yeah. And you see that ice cream truck. Right here. Ice cream truck's right here. Yep. Oh, ¿qué tienes tú? Oh, I pushed up in me too. Yeah, I miss my. I'm wishing that I wish to go back to the new house, old house that Avenue and Turlock Way, and the apartment and Roosevelt Park, and the down Harold Park, and sort of Fremont house. How long we been in this Fremont? Yeah, I lost my memories. The homeless. My parents were born. I was born here in 2000 Haywood. We live in a house that have 1 rooms. Right? All right. Everybody going to the working hard, and the kids are going to school. Picking up those kids. They're coming to school in my house. Yeah. Ready to go have fun. That's fun. And the dog sleeping in the house room. And then she have a chihuahua. I have a talk to chihuahua too. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I miss my dogs. We have 2 dogs, Paco and Audio. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah. We have many dogs. 2 dogs we have. It's not that we still have 2 dogs be anywhere. And so the person down, she have a dog, but not anymore. He doesn't live there anymore. Still painting. Clear house. Home. Anywhere. Anywhere we go to them. For pay the rent the house, the Christmas. And I'm putting this Christmas Santa Claus hat. Yeah. Good Christmas. Venom. So again, what's all this? He's at work to paint. Sherman William. Yes. I miss my Robin Williams. I miss the Harry Potters. I miss the May. And I missed my great grandparents and my half brother. And I missed the other place there. What the heck? He went inside the car? Eso vi que se metió al carro. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, back home. My dad's asleep, waiting for me. ¿Por qué estás así afuera?
Mira. ¿Quién vaya? Weekend.
¿Dónde está?
Mira.
It's Arvin. La DJ. It's Arvin. So, mi bien dijo que está en la park, está allá. En Sick Park. ¿Y no lo atrapaste?
No atrapé.
Oye, ¿qué dónde estás? So, porque eres el Pepper, le picó el ojo el gallina picó el ojo al Pepper, el ojo. Por eso se lastimó,
Sí.
Pues, no muchacho se metió en el carro abajo. Se va a descomponer. Okay. Yeah. You wanna drink coffee? ¿Te acabaste? Yeah. You nasty? Estás cochino, Estás cochino. Yeah.
Más tarde, Las locomotoras avanzaron sobre las vías haciendo
How much has been there? Good. Fine.
Mavis
like
y
that's
Soulsby
close.
esperaban en los nuevos talleres diésel. Dogwire Hut también.
¿Dónde están sus árboles?
Thomas tembló.
Quería ganar la competencia, así que corrí y zumbé muy rápido y muy lejos y
So we had to
aplasté
make that
nuestros
close,
dos
dirty close,
árboles.
cleaner.
¡Qué desgracia, Tomás! ¿Qué haremos?
Thomas resopló con fuerza. Los
Oh
diésel
yeah, watch the
estaban
Thomas and Friends. I never
tristes.
see watch
Thomas
Thomas and Friends
quería
long ago.
hacerlos felices.
Señora,
And this is what Diesel's 2, Diesel's 3, Diesel Dan, Dodge, and Diesel. They make a clean Christmas tree. Except for Mavis and Saltine, there are the Mavis and work with the quarry, and Saltine work to the rental docks with the sprint porter.
Locos de los troncos.
Okay, you guys, but I had to go take a shower because of me. Show me, like, comment, and subscribe for the video. See me. I work at a dirty, my just clean clothes. You know, I watched the last time.
Sonrió de parachoques.
Make sure to see the video. I see you with the gray mount and the car. Bye bye.